Hello everyone and welcome back to your own channel Technical Sahil. In today's video we'll see how we can configure and connect the proxy provided by the IPBurger on our Chrome browser. For this we first need to search the Chrome Web Store on our browser and open this first link chromewebstore.google.com. From here we need to search IPBurger and open this first one IPBurger Proxy and VPN. This one because it has the best rating and most number of ratings as well. This is the new extension. Sometimes it may be work, sometimes it's not. Both are official provided by the IPBurger, but this is kind of a new and this is the stable. So open this one IPBurger Proxy and VPN and simply click here add to Chrome. Click here add extension. The extension has been added. Now we can simply pin the extension. Now we need to click the extension icon here and click settings. First we need to configure the proxy. I am naming the proxy as it is United States, so I am providing here the name USA proxy. Now I am assuming that you have a proxy provided by this IPBurger, so you need to log into your dashboard and visit this proxy tab, and from here you can get the proxy credentials. It supported all the methods, but here it's only supported the two methods HTTP and HTTPS. So we need to configure either any of this method, but it has all the methods SOX v5 and OpenVPN, all the methods, but we have selected the HTTPS, so we need to click on this HTTPS tab, and from here we can copy and paste the credentials. Like it's asking for the host name, so we'll provide the host name here. The port, it's the port here. Username, that's the username, and password, we'll paste it here. Now if I click on, first I need to click here the save because it will save the label name. Now we need to click here the save. So it is connected. As you can see, there is a green icon here. Earlier it was gray, so it's green now. If we click here, yeah, the proxy is turned on. If we want to check the IP, we simply need to visit what is my IP address. You can see it's showing me the IP, which is the same as the proxy IP 15594.245.35. This is the IP and this is the location, which is this is the ISP name and this is the city, state and country. Like as it is the US proxy, so my location, it has changed from India to USA. And this way we can configure some more settings, like if we want this proxy to work in an incognito mode, like right now it's not working in an incognito mode. If we visit the same website, you can see here it's showing me my different IP address, which is the current ISP, and my current location, which is India. But here it's showing me my current location is United States because it has connected here. So if we want to work on incognito mode as well, we can simply enable through this toggle button, and simply if we want to allow access to the file URLs, means through that proxy, if we want to visit any URL, we can also enable this by this toggle button, and simply we can do some more settings according to our preferences. It's all based up to you, but that's the method, that's the general method we can connect the proxy through. So that's all for today's video, and thank you so much for watching it till the end.